41 Instructional Categories. As an instructor, it is important to understand a few things involving routine events. I will first have to figure out what I will have to do to establish and communicate learning goals, track student progress, and celebrate success. This can be done by providing clear learning goals, including tools like rubrics, syllabi, and scales to give students and instructors a sense of expectations and a clear path. Tracking student progress using gradebooks, grade tracking, incentives, and tools. Celebrating success, rewarding students on success and encouragement as an incentive. Another side of developing routine events is figuring out what to do to establish or maintain classroom rules and procedures. This can be done by establishing a clear list of classroom rules and procedures, including rewards and incentives as well as consequences for any deviation away from classroom procedure. Organizing the physical layout of the classroom. A large part of successful learning is environment. Organizing the physical layout of the classroom can foster a positive and receptive learning environment. After establishing routines, the next matter at hand is content. This is arguably the most important part of teaching. Essentially, instructors are there to help deliver and assist students with understanding content. In order to effectively deliver content, an instructor must first figure out what to do to help students effectively interact with new knowledge. This means identifying critical information, organizing students to interact with new knowledge, previewing new content so that students don't feel bombarded with new information, chunking content into digestible bits or breaking down information into simple terminology and easy to understand concepts and examples, processing of new information or allowing time and creating activities that allow students to actually think about and process the newly learned info, elaborating on new information, recording and representing knowledge, reflecting on learning, or reviewing information. The second step in effectively delivering content is to understand what to do to help students practice and deepen their understanding of new knowledge. This means reviewing content. Repeating content can help students grasp concepts and understand them more than just presenting information once. Organizing students to practice and deepen knowledge. Using homework. Homework can be a pain, but it can help students think about and process the information outside of class. Examining similarities and differences, especially when it comes to students and how they learn individually and collectively. Examining errors and reasoning. Practicing skills, strategies, and processes. Revising knowledge. Keeping students and their knowledge up to date. The third step in effectively delivering content is understanding what to do to help students generate and test hypotheses about new knowledge. This can be done by organizing students for cognitively complex tasks. Engaging students in cognitively complex tasks involving hypothesis generation and testing. Providing resources and guidelines.